Hi, I'm Samantha with Lion Brand, and today we'll be thinking outside of the box with DIY glow yarn, the yarn that literally glows in the dark. Looking to add a surprising design element to your stitching? Consider swapping one of the colors in your next colorwork project with DIY glow. Today I'll be showing you what DIY glow yarn looks like when paired with 4 classic Lion Brand yarns to spark your creativity. First up, we paired DIY Glow with 24/7 Cotton DK Sparkle for a simple and lightweight striped swatch. By day, you'll get crisp, clean stripes with a hint of sparkle, and by night, a glowing surprise. Next, we're going to try DIY Glow with Heartland yarn to make a slip stitch colorwork pattern. This combo adds texture and creates a warmer fabric. This pattern looks just as good in the day as it does at night. Now it's time to grab some Mandala yarn and work up a 2-stitch check pattern. The color shifts of Mandala keep things interesting, while DIY Glow blends in and creates a solid base for your colors to pop, until the lights go out, that is, and then it takes center stage. And finally, we use DIY Glow alongside Ferris Wheel yarn for this wavy striped swatch. The soft, blended color changes make the DIY Glow sections pop in the light, and in the dark, DIY Glow makes the wave design come to life. So next time you're planning a colorwork project, why not swap in DIY Glow for one of your colors? It works beautifully with so many Lion Brand yarns. It's a quick and easy way to sprinkle a little glow-in-the-dark magic into your projects. Now the only question is, which project will you make with DIY Glow yarn first? Drop a comment and let's get stitching!